green color for transaction in 2022.
Yeah. मैंने उसको पूरा ही ग्रीन कर दिया था, वो ओनली हाईलाइट बाद में समझ में भेज दिया, उसके बाद अरे
कहाँ है 2022?
यहाँ
फर्स्ट ऐड करना था,
सेकंड शीट में है वो।
हाँ ऐड करना था वो।
हाँ,
नहीं, वो सेकंड शीट में है।
ओ सेकंड शीट में,
हाँ,
सेकंड
हाँ,
शीट
we
में तो ये
haven't
है ना,
merged, right?
ना वो
ऐड
जो
करना था ना, डेटा दिया था ना।
ऐड करना
Oh,
करेंगे
okay.
ना,
किसी BPS में there is some data that they have to add manually.
okay, okay,
तो मैंने
that's
वो भी
okay. You all know ना?
या
Okay, that's okay. You all know, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so note for resizing, yeah, you can do two ways. So auto fit, double click करना है, otherwise hold on the mouse and drag. ठीक है, select the entire worksheet by clicking on the triangle from row. Yeah, all this is okay, right?
Can you scroll up on the first second page? वहाँ पे छोटा सा टेबल है जो इनको insert करना था. You can copy paste into the file. इनके लिए
ये
मैंने
वाला?
रखा था कि हाँ, इनके लिए रखा था कि टाइप करके
करना था कि ना, मैंने तो एक
नहीं, आपको तो टाइप ही करना था
ओके
ताकि आपको डाटा एंट्री की प्रैक्टिस हो जाए.
हाँ,
ओके
हमने तो टाइप किया.
हाँ मैंने बोला ये तो इजी था.
सुना, हमको नहीं इजी मिलेगा.
नहीं मतलब आना चाहिए ना, ऐसा ना हो कि ऐसे बुद्धू बन जाए. विनया है ना, विनया आ गई.
विनया नहीं आई अभी,
अच्छा
पता नहीं. शोर करने वाले तो अपन दोनों ही है. श्री अभी चुप हो गई है.
ये डेट ही होना था.
22 last
2022 वाला
22
Okay.
22 हाँ last
वाला
year.
लाइन अंडरलाइन करना था. हाँ,
Underline, okay, okay.
Not underline. Green
Underline
color.
Green
नहीं,
color.
it was in the green color,
ग्रीन
Those
कलर
two
में करना
rows.
था.
light
Those
green.
two
Yes.
rows
पूरी
have
रो
to be
को
in
करना है
light
ना,
green.
पूरी रो को.
पूरी रो को
पूरी
ग्रीन
रो
करना
को
है.
करना था. हाँ,
ओके, चलो पूरी रो कर लिए.
एक्सरसाइज याद रहे कि ना रहे, होमवर्क पूरा याद रह गया है.
Dark green नहीं, light green.
बोलते रहे
Dark
अभी
green
उसमें
नहीं, light green करना था इंदु.
लाइट ग्रीन.
not this green, the other one.
Okay.
इंदु जी, आपका वो कॉलम आपको डेट फॉर्मेट करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ हाँ, that's okay. Insert a row between row 6 and 7 and ये सब पता है ना? Do we need to repeat?
No, I think
If you want me to repeat, you let me know.
okay.
आपने
the
वो
two
अभी
rows.
मार्जिन टू मॉडरेट वाला बताया ना इंदु जी.
हाँ, page margins to moderate, yeah.
और A3 वाला भी वो
Yeah, it
किसी पे
depends
आया,
on the
किसी पे
print,
नहीं
yeah.
आया.
किसी पे आएगा, किसी पे नहीं आएगा.
हाँ,
That's okay.
exercise
आएगा.
वाइज सबको याद है. Exercise
Yeah,
वाइज सबको
because
आता है.
सभी भेज दिए. Okay, is there anyone who didn't do the homework? Raise your hand. Vinaya, तू तो you didn't even
Hand
come
up.
for the last class, right? So that's okay. माफी हो गया. छप्पन भोग का no need of छप्पन भोग.
Thank you.
Who else did not do it? Pratiksha, good?
Thank you.
Okay. So now let's start today's class. Okay, so okay.
Indu,
Huh?
I have a question here. The question is the one which you mentioned, the capital letter thing. How do you do that?
Okay, so for example, in this, see, in this refrigerator is not capital, right? First R is not capital, right? So usko copy kar lo,
Yeah.
and because there might be lot of refrigerators in the
Right.
sheet,
Right.
you go and you click on the find select में replace का click करना है, and then you whatever you copied you paste it in both the cells and just change what needs to be replaced to R. So this is what it needs to
नहीं ये तो
replace.
रिप्लेसमेंट हुआ ना but
Replacement.
और एक क्वेश्चन था जहाँ पे मेंशन किया
Replace
था
all.
that you have to do the capital thing. How you are supposed to do
I
that?
don't want anything. I'm just bored.
It's the same
Yeah.
thing.
So this is, yeah, it's the same thing.
Okay. Right.
It can be done in different ways. One of the ways is beginner's ways is this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
नहीं जैसे अभी माउंट रॉस्कल का कैपिटल, अभी हेंडरसन का एच कैपिटल, हर एक इसमें जाके करना है, मतलब एक वर्ड पकड़ के करना है, टोटल नहीं कर सकते ना उसका, कर सकते हैं?
नहीं टोटल नहीं कर सकते. वर्ड में एक शॉर्टकट है. I don't know whether it works here.
Okay.
Shift F3 करे तो Shift F3 करे तो ये आ रही है. So yeah, यहाँ थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. Otherwise
प्रॉपर फंक्शन करके कर सकते हैं ना सारे
प्रॉपर नेम फंक्शन. सो फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ आज फंक्शंस कवर करते हैं. सो बिगिनर वाले का ऐसा ही तरीका है. That's why I'm not telling any other advanced things.
Yeah,
Okay?
otherwise we will get confused.
Confused. Yeah. So
Okay. So the question out there, I'm like, I was just going through today. So there was one question which mentioned that you need to correct everything to first letter capital. So this is the way you are supposed to do it. Just like
yes.
to replace.
Yeah.
That's the only way, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That because we didn't teach any other thing in the first class. That is the reason. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So now we will go to today's class, which is today. What we are going to do is we are going to see how to create tables and what options there are, and we'll learn some formulas for text formulas, date formulas, and some aggregation formulas, and how to navigate through multiple sheets, and what are the right click options, and how to autofill. ईयर ऑटोफिल करना है तो अदरवाइज 1 2 3 4 को ऑटोफिल करना है, वो सब हम we will learn. Flash fill and sort. How do we sort and how do we filter? So these are the things. So we'll start with the tables. Tables this is, even though it is appearing as a table, it is not a table actually. Categories. This is not a table. We can make this as a table. So if you are here anywhere in the within the data, because there is no data here, right? हमको सिर्फ एक ही टेबल नजर आ रही है. So you can just, we don't need to select, you just be within inside the table and you go to insert and you can say there is something called table, right? Once you click that, ये automatically यहाँ range आती है. Range में you can see that the A1 to G13. So A1 is order number, where order number is, and G13 is where Centlux is. So it has selected everything. Is that, so it's asking us, is that the range for your table? Bolke it is asking. And then this tick is there. My table has headers. Usually tables have headers, right? So my table has headers. So you can see that, and then if you say okay, then it converts into a table. Now it lag raha hai na table. This is like a table. So in here, so this is a table. Now we have created a table. If you want to add a row to this table, for example, I am adding a row here, 1 0 2 3 something. Okay, I am adding. So it automatically, the advantage of making a table is automatically the formatting is getting extended and the table range will get extended as well. So let's say I am just copying this. I don't want, I'm lazy, so I'm just copying this and pasting. So I just wanted to show you how to insert another row within that table. But if you start doing something here, not immediately after that, it won't become a table because the range is not the same. Okay. So now
इंदु जी एक मिनट प्लीज वापस जाना ना.
Yeah.
टेबल का कहाँ था ऑप्शन, मतलब कहाँ क्या किया हमने टेबल?
इंसर्ट में टेबल बोल के है, because now this is already a table, it is grayed out, you can't make a table. Okay. Now, once we make the table, there is a new menu item called table design. So you need to go into that. And then आपको यहाँ, you can give a table name. At the moment, this is called table 3. But I don't want to call it as table 3. I want to call it as orders table or something like that. Orders. Okay. And then enter. So iska orders table we can refer later on by orders table by the name called orders. Okay. Now we can do some designs as well. Table designs. See, table styles hai. Yahan you can go this way or you can choose that. Or yahan click kare to you will see light color tables or even dark color. See, you can, if you hover, I didn't even change. I'm just hovering over it, and then you will be able to see what kind of design that will be. So I'm liking this one. So I'm just going to go this with this. So like that, you can change the table styles. And here you will see you have banded rows. If you don't want banded rows, you can just untick. So banded rows nahi hai, same rows hogi. If you want a total row, you can just put a total row so that there is a total row added. And here there is a filter button. What is the filter button? See here, these arrows are there, no? So those are there. You can actually filter them. These are called filters. So you can click on them, and then if you want to see only Mount Roskill rows, you can just click on that, and then it will filter all the other rows. It is not deleted, but it is filtered. आपकी नजर में ये दो ही नजर आते हैं, but others are in the background. So if you see the row numbers here, you can see only 7 and 10. So that means all the other rows are hidden. So that is a filter. So if you don't want the filter button there, you can just untick, and then it will be just a normal table without the filters. If you want to highlight the first column, so you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to highlight the last column, you can do that. And if you want to band columns instead of rows, you can do that. You can add a total row. So this is the table style options. These things we will do later. So that is tables. Next one is text formulas. Okay, now zara dhyan se your text formulas that we are going to learn are, I'm just going to put here, left function, right function, and trim and concatenate. We can learn these four are the functions that we are going to learn. Okay, so now let's say this is an order number. I want to get from here the first three letters. So that means 100, 102, 100 again, 102, 100, 100, like that. So for that, what we need to do is we can do a function which is called left. So remember, when we are using functions, always in Excel we start a function with a equals. So I just typed equals. So here equals is there, and then the name of the function. So that is left brackets, bracket begin, and which cell are we referring to when we want to get the left of the values? We want to get A2, right? So once you start the bracket, just move your cursor and then click on that. So automatically, see, now this is referring to order number of, because it is saying at the rate order number is because we created a table. So I think this will be a bit confusing. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this one into here. Paste special values. Okay. So now I'll start the function. Okay. Now equals, always remember, start a function with equals, because otherwise Excel will not know that you are using a function. So left and open brackets, because that is the syntax of the function. That's how we use the function. See, now you can see that it is prompting for something like text and number of characters. What it is saying is, what is the text that I need to get the left side of the numbers. So for us, the text is, this cell reference is A2. है ना? A2 is, understanding A2 is easier compared to at order number. So that's why I pasted the values here. So A2 के बाद what is it prompting? It is giving you hint. There is a text के बाद comma है. So we have given the text and then comma. We have to give comma. And after that, it said number of characters. So we want the first 3 letters. So I'm just going to give 3 and then close the brackets. So that means when we are closing the brackets, that means the function, we have completed writing the function. And now if we press enter, see, now you get the 100, right? So that we have to do the same thing for all the rows. So just double click and then the function is copied. So this is the key values of A column. Similarly, we can use the write function, and write means it is going to get the values from the right. So in this one, the values from the right is right say 3 values आना है, तो what will be the numbers that we get from right?
396.
Yeah, 396. So that's what we will get. So the formula is similar, the function is similar. So what should we use for the first before we start the function?
Equal to.
Equal to.
Equal to. Right is right.
Column.
Right.
Is it not column?
No. First we have to, after equal to, always give the function name.
Oh, okay.
Here the function name is right. And then open the brackets.
Bracket.
After opening the brackets, then you give what you want. So
A2.
the text is A2. A2 के बाद comma रहना है, because it needs to know what the number of characters are. So number of characters is, let's say 4. Okay,
4.
let's say 4.
4.
And then close the, now we have finished giving the parameters. These are called parameters. A2 and 4 are parameters. So left function has 2 parameters, text and number of characters, and right function has 2 parameters, text and number of characters, same. Now close the brackets and then press enter. Once you do that, see, that is the 4396. Now you can do the same thing. You don't need to type over again. Just copy. Copy the function to the to fill the rows. So you have got the right function and the right function and left function.
बट इंदु जी पहले हमने A2 किया था, तो ये ऑटोमेटिक A14 तक अपने आप सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा?
हाँ, अपने आप सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि सी यहाँ मैं A2 दी, कॉपी, वो डबल क्लिक करने में क्या हुआ, ऑटोमेटिकली फिल हो गई, A2 से A3 बन गई. अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछे आप. सो A4 बन गई, A5 बन गई, लाइक दैट ऑटोमेटिकली.
आपको हर कॉलम पे डबल क्लिक करते जाना है, तो वहां से चेंज होता जाएगा A6, A5, A7.
हाँ.
So every column we have to double click. Every row.
No.
No.
From there only we wrote the function only there, and then we double clicked.
Oh.
That's all. So we
We have to double click just on the first row.
On the first row.
Column. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So left का हो गया, right का हो गया. Now we have something called trim. Trim is used when there is space. For example, let's say I'm just going to create this. एक space रखेंगे. To trim the spaces in front or in the at the end, trim कर लेती है. So I'm just going to use these. यहाँ same. So how do we write the trim function? Any idea? Any
Equals.
guesses?
Equals.
We'll start with
Yes,
equals to
equals, yeah. And
Trim.
trim,
trim, yeah,
Bracket.
open.
bracket, yes. See, now we don't need any, because we are not getting any text from there. We just need to trim the space that is there, either in the left or right, okay?
Yeah.
So to do that, we need to, so now choose the text. Which one shall we choose?
Any.
H2.
H.
What do we need to do?
H2.
H2, yes, because the space is
Void में
here.
होता है ना?
So
कमी कहना है. इनको बंद करो.
यहाँ रख के we need only one parameter here. So now we have finished. So what do we do?
Close the
And
bracket.
Close the bracket.
Yeah,
Close.
close the bracket and enter.
Enter. Yeah.
So now here, if you notice, here there is a space, but here there is no space. समझ में आया?
Yeah. Yeah.
इंदु जी, तो आप फिर वापस H2 में गए ना?
हाँ.
अगर वापस H2 में नहीं जाए और ट्रिम ब्रैकेट H2 लिखेंगे तो भी सेम रहेगा ना?
हाँ, same. Yeah. Easy है बोल के मैं I am doing it like that. But if you are doing with keyboard, it's easy to write the H2 rather than going into
Going back. Okay.
Yeah, going with the mouse.
So in the practically, when this is used, just a question.
Sometimes, most of the time we use if we are trying to do a lookup of something, we are trying to match, and if there are some spaces, then we don't want the spaces to be taken into consideration. That's when we usually use this. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. So we got something similar in another spreadsheet, and we want to compare. Then we use trim.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So now what we do? What should we do to get the
Double click.
Yeah. Now
Drag
double
it
click.
down.
Only the first cell double click and then
Drag.
yeah. Even drag also will work. But yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. So now we have seen how many left, right, and trim. We need to have one more, which is concatenate. Let's. What do you think concatenate means? किसी को any guesses?
Join करना.
Yeah, join करना. Yes, very good.
वापस.
Join. So let's join. What shall we join? TV and C and suburb with a comma. Okay. So if we want to join, so what I want to see is I want to see TV, comma, and space and Newlin. This is what I want to see. Okay. This is what I want to see. But I want to do it for everything. I don't want to sit and type there. Okay. So in order to do that, so what should we do? There is a concatenate.
Equals to.
Equals. So go there. Equals.
Yeah.
You start typing, it will prompt. See, concatenate is there. This function. Okay, so this function is there. And now, what do we need to do? We have to first do the TV, right?
C2.
So what is the address for TV? C2. Okay, now here, before we do that, does it prompt for anything? No. Yeah, see, text 1, comma, text 2, right?
Yeah.
So that's what
Yeah.
we need to give. We can give any amount of concat, any amount of text 1, text 2, text 3, text. That's why it is saying dot dot dot. Okay. So now I'm going to give C2. उसके बाद क्या है? Comma है ना? Because there is a
Comma.
comma.
Comma and space.
Now what we need? No, it's not G2 because we need a comma in between, comma and a space in between, right? So for that, you need to give, because comma and space is a character. What we need to do is we need to give them within quotation marks. So we need to start quotations and comma and space. Give both of them and close the quotation marks. So that became one text. Okay. Followed by another comma. Because we are giving text number 3. This will become text 2. C2 is
Okay.
text 1. Comma and space will be text 2. Again comma. And now what do we do?
New
Give
line.
G2.
G2.
Okay, so our text 1, 2, 3 is finished. Do we need to give anything else?
No.
No.
No. So what do we do?
Close
Close.
the
Bracket close.
Close the bracket. Very good. And then enter. See, now we got the TV comma new line. Now what do we do?
Double
Click, double click.
Double click and it will come.
आ गई washing machine, St. Luke's, washing machine, Royal Oak, all that came. Okay, समझ में आई ये text column?
Can you
text
just
formula?
repeat once again? Can you just
Hindu
repeat
ji, I
once?
have a question.
Yeah.
So ये जब हम quotation mark we only give for the character, not when the cells are there, only when some characters are there. Every time we give these quotation marks.
Yeah, if we need the comma, then
Yeah.
we need comma, or even if we want to, let's say for example, if you want to give only, no, instead of commas and this thing, you want to say and. Okay, even then, if it is not there in the cell, then you give it. Okay, so and see,
So if we want to add some third
add something else which is not there in the text,
the text
in the
okay,
cells,
in the Excel
in
sheet.
the cells.
Okay. So if it has to be 3, can we concatenate 3 things? Concatenate 3 things?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. So if you
So
go
again,
comma,
after G2, we will give quotation mark,
comma.
comma, space, and quotation mark, and then third cell, right?
Yeah, yeah. If you need that, otherwise you can just give. You can just give. What you can do is you can just give like that. See now, newly आ गया. समझ में आई? So
नहीं,
what
नहीं है.
see what I did was G2 के बाद ये भी दी ना, H2 भी दी ना.
हाँ जी.
So that's how.
इसीलिए 2 बार न्यूली ना आया.
हाँ, 2 बार आया.
2 बार आया.
ये हाँ
क्योंकि वो सेम है ना, इसलिए. अगर कुछ और होता, जैसे अगर हम लोग B लेते तो वो नंबर आता एंड देन G B और G लेते तो अलग अलग आता ना नंबर.
लेकिन कॉमा नहीं है, देखो कॉमा नहीं है. एक
Yeah,
के बाद
because I didn't give comma.
Yeah.
Why?
If you want comma, then you need to give within quotations.
तो अगर कॉमा नहीं दिया तो चलेगा क्या? मींस देन बाय
कॉमा नहीं आएगा.
Then comma नहीं आएगा. If you want,
कॉमा
if you
नहीं
need
आएगा.
comma, then you put
ओके,
comma.
समझ गए.
Yeah, if you need comma, you put comma.
got it,
Otherwise, you
The text will get confused if there is no
So the
comma.
comma is optional. If you don't give the comma, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. बीच में comma नहीं दिया तो भी it's okay.
So
Whatever you want,
yeah.
whatever output you want, you have to.
Yeah, depends on the data that we
समझ
want to
गए.
type.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. But Induji, it by default will take space, right?
By default, no, it won't take space. See, for example, no, it won't take space. So, for example, that's why I gave space in the when I gave this comma and space, I gave space. So, if for example, if I just don't do anything, I just do G2. There is no space.
Okay.
Okay. So, if you want to give a space, then you need to, within quotation marks, you give space and then close the quotation marks and then comma. Something is wrong. Wait. Okay, yahan comma miss ho gayi. So you need to give comma here and then you will get the space
Right.
here.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, any questions? Okay, so now next one is what did we do? Okay, text formulas is over. Date formulas. Okay, let's write some date formulas here. I'm going to insert two columns. Okay, so now, okay, this is a date this is a date column, right? Okay. So let's say I want year from the date and I want month from the date. Okay. So for that, what we need to do is there is can you guess what will be the function to get the year from a date?
Left or right, something.
Left or right? Left and right are for text. Those are text formulas.
So
Date
the date
formulas.
function and date.
Yeah, date functions. The answer is staring at you. So I just want you to say what could be the function to get the year. Just think. The answer is in my question.
Year.
Year, yes. Okay, so year is the function. So what do we do?
Equal to
Yes,
year.
equal to year. Now, yeah, we have the year function.
Column.
Now,
bracket.
And then our date function, date field is here, B2. And do we need to give anything else?
See.
They're showing something number.
Yeah, it is. It's in another format. So that's all. You need to just give a number.
Close.
Date
and then did you see?
Yes.
Okay. 2021. Actually, this date, if we change it to the date format, we go format cells, and if we change it to date, let's say this date, see it shows date.
तो पहले क्या दिखा रहा था कोड?
पहले it's a I forget what it is called. It's in a the date format was different.
Okay. ऐसे भी होता है.
हाँ, ऐसे भी होता है. ऐसे बहुत होता है databases में. Yeah, databases में बहुत होता है. So this is the year, okay? So then now we just double click तो सबको समझ में आई ना? Okay, so now I want to get the month.
Same way.
Same way.
Month
so what
first.
Month will be the formula.
Equals to month.
Equals to
month.
Bracket.
Open and
B2.
B2.
Bracket close. Enter.
Number 9. Okay. So that is those two are the year and month. Apart from that, there is one more function to get today's date. So what could be the function?
Date.
Equals to today.
Equals
today.
अच्छा है ना? Very easy.
अपने आप ही आ गया.
And then see here, there is no. Can you see? There is no within brackets. There is nothing.
No.
So just put the brackets. That's all. Don't give anything.
Yeah.
Is this today's date?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, and if you want time.
Same. Equals to time.
No, not time. I think it is equals to now.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. What did I do? Okay.
Bracket नहीं है ना?
See,
date and time.
Yeah, this will give date and time. Okay.
Now we'll give date and time both.
Both. Because it needs to give date as well, na?
Okay.
Okay, so those are the date functions.
Mhm.
Now what will we do? What we'll do is aggregation formulas. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to insert. Okay. Now we have numbers here. There are numbers. Let's, I think let's not, this is quantity, right? Okay. Here there are numbers. Now, what I want, what we want is, let's say, if I'm selecting this one, okay. Now, what can you see here? Can you see this?
Oh yeah. Average, count, sum.
Yeah. Average, count, sum. So those are the aggregation formulas. Okay. So now let's try and get those in our spreadsheet. So I want to put the sum here. So what should be the sum? Sum should be
Equal
this.
to.
Yeah. So what is the formula for sum?
Equal to
Equals
sum
to sum.
bracket D2.
Yeah, D2 say you
D2
have to
say
select.
14, na?
Yeah, you have to select everything.
Okay.
Acha. So
With
we
the
can't
mouse.
keep directly D14.
Can.
So
Binduji?
yeah. So what you can do is, if you there is a shortcut for this one. If you press, I'm just deleting this one. If you press Alt equals, it automatically comes. This is only for sum. Okay. Alt equals is sum. It will give you the sum function. We don't even need to type.
But we don't we have to select the range?
So it automatically selects when you say that. Yeah, see, I deleted that and I just said Alt equals.
Wow. This is
पर अगर
It
आधा
selects.
करना होगा, आधे का करना होगा तो हम ये नहीं यूज कर सकते ना.
Yeah, आधे का करना होगा तो then you just type sum. See, I'm just going to type sum. Open brackets. It is open brackets. Open brackets, and then you
Then select.
do this. Select and then close brackets.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. And alt sum works only if there is, see, for example, if I'm just cutting that and pasting here. If I do alt sum now, it will select only till here, till the last blank row.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to go, I'm just going to, yeah. If you want to select, if you want to do for entire thing, if there are spaces, then you have to select everything with the mouse or even with the keyboard. Okay. So that is sum. This is sum. Okay. This is sum. And we want average. What could be the function?
Average.
Equals to average.
AVG.
AVG
Average.
used to be in the previous versions. I think now it's average. And then average of same thing. You just need to select, but don't select the sum. It will give over average. Okay, don't select the sum. Yeah, just remember that. So average aa gayi. And if I want only 2 decimal places here, what should I do?
Right click and format.
Here,
Yes.
the number thing.
Format में हाँ.
There is, you can decrease. Okay? If you want to increase, okay?
Wow.
Okay, so that is average. What else did we want to do?
Does this
Count.
also have one shortcut like alt equal?
No.
Average also has anything?
No, it doesn't. Okay, count. How do I count?
equals to count.
इंदु जी, कैन यू गिव मी अ मिनट?
Yeah.
मेरी बैटरी डाउन हो रही है, मैं ले आऊं, नहीं तो बीच में बंद हो जाएगा सेशन।
ठीक है, नो वरीज।
In a minute.
Okay, any
नहीं
questions?
अपनी बैटरी कोई भी डाउन मत करो, चाय कॉफी किसी को चाहिए तो ले लो, अपनी बैटरी को
टीचर
ज्योति जी ने बोल दिया, अच्छा किया, मैं बोलने वाली थी।
नहीं
हैप्पी पेन के बैठना नेक्स्ट क्लास में।
मेरे को ये ब्रेक चाहिए टीचर।
नेक्स्ट क्लास में हैप्पी पेन के बैठना।
Okay, 2 minute break.
The time starts now. 8:03 हुआ है. Just after 2 minutes, class will restart.
अच्छा चलो अब नहीं जाऊंगी, लेकिन नेक्स्ट क्लास में हैप्पी पेन के बैठूंगी।
इंदु जी, I have a question.
Yeah, बोलो। Yes.
Out of this, can I just look at the Excel?
हाँ जी, ज्योति जी क्या कह रहे थे? मेरी बैटरी डाउन हो गई है, भूख लग गई यार।
इंदु जी,
हाँ बोलो।
ये जो डेट है ना, so we have different dates, right?
Yes.
Can you add another column before C? Yeah. So if I want to calculate number of days until today from this date, so maybe from 7th of September till today, how much days? So how do we do that? Like, what is the formula for that?
So you need to get a date difference. Is it?
So from 7th of September till today 15, there are 7 days. Okay. So 8 days, right? So I want this number 8 to be here. So just to calculate on an everyday basis that 8 days are done, 10 days are over, 100 days are over.
Okay, so you want the thing to be in days, right?
Yeah, number of days. Yeah.
Number of days. Okay. So there is a function for that, which is because you're calculating difference, right? So it's called date diff. In brackets.
Yeah.
Now for the date diff, you need to give start date and end date. So for start date, you can just give this one.
Yeah.
And then end date.
Now function.
Yeah, today you can give.
Yeah.
And then you need to specify the units. So units is where is comma. Units is you want days, right? So D.
Okay.
If that comes. Something is wrong.
D or
today.
B?
Okay.
Indu, can I interrupt?
Yeah, sure.
Because I'm using this function every day. This is my life.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can simply type equals today minus B2.
वो difference भी कर सकते हैं. Today minus. But because we did, even that won't come here, I think. Wait, hold on. Because the format is.
It will come, but you'll have to just change the
format. Yeah.
Okay.
Today minus.
Today minus B2 would be the number.
And now I need to change the. What am I doing?
You gave extra bracket in there. That's why.
Yeah. So this one format we need to change. To number.
Okay. Amazing. Okay.
Yeah, these are in future, so that's why they are in minus.
Yeah. So what was the
today minus the date. That's all.
Okay.
It will by default it is. But if you want years, then you use the date diff in years and months and things like that.
Got it.
So that for that it will be like.
So if you don't want negative, you can put other way around, like B2 minus today.
Yeah. Or absolute as well. If you go like this. It should be fine.
Yeah.
So you won't get the dates. You won't get the negatives.
Thank you. Sorry to eat up your break time.
No worries.
Absolute. Indu ji, आप एक बार वापस से absolute समझाएंगे? What is that for?
Okay, absolute is if you want, if your value is becoming negative and you don't want to show the negative value, then it will just convert. It won't show you the negative value. So if I don't use this, you were seeing some negatives, right? See, when I do this, you're not. If I do this, see there are some negatives, but you don't want to show the negatives. Then you just use ABS.
Okay.
Is the formula.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, shall we start? Everyone? Okay,
इंदु जी, ये जो आपने बताया ये डेज काउंट करने के लिए है.
माइनस कर टुडे माइनस डेट करे तो बाय डिफॉल्ट डेज आ जाएगी. But if you want to get years, then we need to use a date diff function later on. Okay, so
thank you.
Okay, so now we left at count function. So what do we do for the count?
Equal to count.
Yeah. Equal to count. But
bracket.
And then count till D16, na?
Yeah, E2.
No, we don't have a
No, we are not counting average and sum.
14,
Very good.
14. Yes.
I thought you were sleeping.
My God.
Indu.
Okay, so 13. Okay. Okay, a couple of more aggregation formulas are. I want to get the maximum out of this. What is the maximum in this, and what is the
minimum?
So what could be the function?
Max
equals to max.
Yeah, equals to max. And what am I doing? Okay, equals to max, and then
bracket, and then
we have to give the range. Okay.
Yeah.
Till here?
No.
14.
No?
No.
14.
Till microwave.
14. Okay. Okay, so out of this 1024 is the maximum, and for minimum?
Same.
Min.
Equals to minimum.
Brackets begin,
Bracket.
same range, and
Bracket close.
694 is the minimum. Okay. So these are the aggregation formulas. Next we have to cover is navigating through multiple sheets. Okay, so I have 3 sheets. So each one is called a sheet. 1, 2, and 3. So if you want to, let's say, rename this sheet, how do we do that? Any guesses?
Click on the sheet.
Right click.
Yeah, you can right click and rename, or
double click.
You can just double click here and then rename. Okay. Now I want to copy this one.
Yeah.
Make an exact copy. What do I do?
Yeah, and
Control
C.
Control C.
Control C कहाँ करूँ?
ये select
आप प्लस करोगे ना दूसरी शीट आ जाएगी.
प्लस करोगे तो दूसरी शीट आ जाएगी. या what then?
And then you can copy that.
Yeah. No, you
Copy
copy
what?
Control C here. Select Control C. Go there. Control V.
V. Yeah.
Control C कर ली मैंने.
नहीं यहाँ.
नहीं, but
No.
एरो में
वो एरो है ना ए के बाजू में ट्रायंगल.
हाँ.
अब होगा.
अभी कंट्रोल सी करना है.
हाँ. Okay. अच्छे बच्चे हैं.
अभी कंट्रोल वी.
But you can do this as well. You can do this as well. Okay. ये शीट कॉपी करती हूँ मैं ये नहीं, ये डिलीट कर दूंगी. delete. Okay, ये sheet copy करती हूँ मैं. You can right click here. There is something called move or copy. Okay, so click that, and then until you create this one, otherwise it will move. Okay, so you need to create a copy. Click on create a copy and then choose where you want. Before sheet, I want it before sheet 5. Okay, sheet 3 will go before sheet 5, and it will be a copy. So it goes, and then here, and then it comes with 2, and then you can just rename that. Okay.
Yeah.
What else? Delete. So how do we delete a sheet?
Oh, same triangle delete. Select
No,
the
no, no.
triangle.
I want to delete the whole sheet,
Right
not
click
the
on it.
data,
Right
but
click
the
वहाँ पे
sheet.
नीचे click
अच्छा,
Yeah.
right
यहाँ
click
पे
on
नीचे
the
right
sheet में.
click.
Right
नीचे
click
Place
and
the
then
cursor on
sheet,
sheet and
delete.
right
And then
click.
delete.
right click and
Yeah,
then
right
delete.
click and delete.
Okay, and if I want to insert a blank sheet,
Plus.
Again,
yeah,
right click on the sheet.
plus or right click and insert.
अच्छा.
Insert.
Okay. Okay. Now if I want to change tab colors, there is something here. If you want to mark this as red, mark this as green.
Green.
So you can do that.
Yeah. Okay.
Color also you can change. So that is navigating through multiple sheets. Copy ho gaya, delete ho gaya, move ho gaya, rename ho gaya, add a new sheet ho gaya. Okay, that's navigating through multiple sheets. Where is my syllabus? Okay, so yeah, ये सब cover करें हम. Right click options. Most of them right click options I think you know, but let's see. Okay, I want to go to the top of the sheet. Who is going to help me to do that?
Control home.
Yes, control home goes to top of the sheet. Okay, so now what are we doing? Right click. So if I right click, you have a lot of options. You can cut, copy, which are there here, cut and copy, same thing, and then paste. And you can insert. If I say insert, I didn't select the whole row. So if I say insert, it will ask me, should I shift all these cells down, or do you want to insert an entire row? So I can just do an entire row and then insert it like that. So you can use the right click function there, right click of the mouse and then do it. Insert is same, delete is also same, clear contents is like delete. And you can add a new comment where I can say that this is a date. Okay. And it will show you who added the comment. So somebody can hover over it. I have added a comment called this is a date. Okay, so that also is there. And filter sort मैं थोड़ी देर में आपको बता दूंगी. New and format cells. All of you must know now by now formatting the cells. So you can use either these, or you can right click and use format cells. And you can choose number or currency or accounting or date, time, which we already did, percentage, fraction, all these things. You can try it out. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so now right click functions you must be all familiar with. Now let's cover autofill. Autofill is I'm going to go into sheet. Okay, let's go to sheet 5. Okay, I'm going to say I want to go and fill 1, 2, 3. I want to fill till maybe 20. Okay. Then what I do is select these two.
Just
First
drag.
just type 1 and 2 and then drag till wherever you see 20. See, you can see 20, right? Then leave your mouse there. Okay. But what if I want to just fill 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2? Then what you do is, see, this is fill series. Okay.
Hmm.
But I want to copy cells. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh.
Okay.
So you want to just copy the pattern. Okay. So that is autofill. Whatever you want to do. Okay. So this is just numbers. What if you want, if you have, let's say Monday, and say Tuesday.
Drag.
Now if we drag, what are you expecting it to do?
Yep.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Sunday.
Monday, it is repeating. Okay.
Yes.
So that is again filling the weekdays.
Series.
Series, yes. Filling the series, that is weekdays. And let's say month. Month ka numbers kya hai? January.
तो इंदु जी अगर जनवरी सिर्फ लिखेंगे तो हम ड्रैग नहीं कर सकते, फरवरी लिखना पड़ता है.
You can, yeah, you can do that as well.
Yeah.
No, but I think लिखना पड़ेगा ना, so that they कि उसको पता चले कि कौन सी
No need.
नहीं, जनवरी के बाद पता चली जाएगा ना.
सीरीज के लिए नहीं चाहिए.
सीरीज के लिए नहीं चाहिए. No need.
तो आपने क्या सिलेक्ट किया है इंदु जी? ऑटो फिल का क्या ये
नहीं जस्ट ये
एनी टाइम हो जाएगा.
ये प्लस होती है ना, when you move your mouse to the corner, there is a plus.
Yeah.
So you just drag it.
Anytime. You don't have to select anything.
No.
Okay.
वो अपने आप select.
This is inbuilt in Excel.
Yeah.
Okay.
These ones, because particularly these months and days. Oh, sorry, months and days. Yeah, months and days are like that. And numbers.
Numbers too, yes.
Numbers too. Yeah.
And alphabet bhi hai.
Alphabet, let's see. I don't know. I haven't tried, but let's see. A B बोल के करे तो शायद आ जाएगी. It is not coming, but what we can do is we
coming A B
हो रहा है.
No. A B आ रही है.
So I think it's only for numbers and
for
days
numbers,
and months.
days and months. Okay, so now that is done. Now we have got only these two, sort and filter. Okay, let's go to the first one. Okay, now we have this table, right? We want to add a, just going to remove that. Okay, I want to add a filter. What is a filter? Can anyone tell?
Filter is removing the unwanted data from the cells or rows or columns that we don't want, and keep the data only that we want.
Okay, so that is filter. Yes.
Or applying some conditions.
Yeah, applying some conditions. Based on that conditions, we want to see the data. Okay, so that's correct. So for example, I want to see only washing machines. Okay. The rows which have washing machines. Okay. So what do I do in order to do that? First of all, because this is a table, what I need to do is I need to first select the header row, and we need to add the filter button. Because this is the table, you just go and do it here. But I'll show you the other way, where it is not a table.
नहीं टेबल के बगैर वाला बताओ ना प्लीज.
हाँ, बगैर वाला ही बताओ. Okay, so here, okay, if I'm here, I'm just going to delete this. Okay, see, this is not a table, and I want to know. I want to just see how many rows are there, and what the details are for washing machines. So what I do is I just select the header row, that is first row. Then go to data, and there is a filter button here.
Yeah.
So I add that. Once I add that, just observe this row, what happens. And I want you to tell me what is happening. What happened?
Drop down arrow.
Drop down arrow aa gaya. drop down arrow aa gaya to now what we can do is we can just select, right, our condition based on the condition. What is our condition? We want to see only washing machines. And washing machines are in D column, right?
3, 3 and 4.
So you just click on the drop down and unselect everything except
Washing
machines. Okay, so now you are seeing washing machines. What if you want to see washing machines and refrigerators?
Select
go
those.
there
Keep
and
those.
select refrigerators as well. Okay, and let's say microwave. 3 of them. So you have these. Okay, now what we want to see is we want to see only out of these, we want to see only those that are in St. Luke's. So you can go here as well. You can do this by multiple columns. That's what I'm trying to show you. So St. Luke's. So your data is showing all these records that are in St. Luke's.
Now, if I want to go back to the normal, like I want to see all the data.
So if you want to see all, you can just select all here and also
We have to
select
go.
all here.
We have to change it both way.
Yeah, change in both ways. Otherwise, if you don't want the filter anymore, then you just do this and then remove the filter.
Unselect.
Unselect the filter. Okay, so that is filter. Now we want to sort. Okay, sort. What is sort? Can anyone tell me?
In order.
Arranging the data in order.
In order.
Yeah.
Let's say we want to arrange the data based on this numbers. Okay. So then what we do is, because we want to arrange all the rows and columns, we have to select this. Okay, select karke. Then again go to data. And then there is something called sort.
Sort.
So you can sort. पहला हम ये देखेंगे. If you want to sort ascending or descending, you can just go. This will be descending. A to Z is increasing and Z to A is descending. So decrease. पहला number first आता है. Lower number will come in the end. So ascending and if you just want ascending and descending by the first one, you just can do that. But if you want to define by some other, I'll just say, did I do? So if I want to define my sort order column, then what I do is I click on the sort. Here you can define which column, by which column do you want to sort. Let's say, for example, I want to sort by, there are 2 suburbs. Hold on. Suburb 2, correct. Okay, now, and this one is days. Okay, so then now I select the whole table and go to sort, and you can choose. I want to choose by suburb and cell values A to Z. Okay, so I'm just sorting. So now observe, this is in order. So the data has been sorted in that order, but row wise. This did not change. Row wise अपने आप यही change हुआ. Okay. Now if you want to sort by multiple columns, you can sort by 2 columns. Let's say price. Okay. Add level. Okay. So add level. So you are first sorting by the suburb and then by price. Do you want smallest to largest or largest to smallest? I'm just going to go largest. I'm just going to go largest to smallest because we have seen small to large here. So I want to do the other way around. So I don't know whether we can compare, but yeah. Anderson ये within Henderson में see largest is coming up and then smallest is coming down. ठीक है? So that's how you can use multiple columns as well.
इंदु जी वन थिंग, अगर
लेकिन
हम यहाँ पे सेलेक्ट नहीं करते हैं कंप्लीट टेबल जैसे आपने सेलेक्ट किया था,
हाँ,
तो लाइक जस्ट टेकिंग अ रो, तो व्हाट विल इट डू दैट? इट विल चेंज द रो?
No. Let's see what happens because it is going to
Okay.
prompt. I'm just saying, I'm just putting my cursor at dishwasher and then I'm saying sort. It automatically selects. See, did you see the select?
Yes.
So it automatically selected. Okay. So
Okay.
otherwise, if it can't select, then it's going to ask. It's going to ask you, do you want to? Okay, let's say, do you want to extend the selection? It says. So I just say sort. Okay. See, expand the selection. Continue with the current selection. If I say continue with the current selection, then this won't match with the rows.
Okay, that will shuffle.
Yeah, that will shuffle, which we don't want usually. Otherwise, the row ka ye gadbad ho jayega. So that's why you need to always expand the selection. Okay. If you forget to select the whole thing, it will automatically either expand the selection or it will prompt you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I think that is, let's see what is there. Yeah, sort, filter, flash fill, autofill, everything we have covered, right?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher. सब कुछ करो.
नींद आ रही है ना?
अब जब होमवर्क आएगा तो पता चलेगा.
फ्लैश फिल क्या था? फ्लैश फिल, ऑटो फिल, तो इट वाज लाइक
फ्लैश फिल इज दिस 1 2 1 2 करके हम करें ना.
अच्छा, ऑटो फिल एंड फ्लैश फिल इज सेम.
रिपीटिंग ये वाला.
हाँ.
ओके.
ठीक है. ओके.
Okay, dinner time.
Any questions?
किसकी नींद खुली डिनर टाइम कह के?